message was transmitted at the request of the Korean government and the United States government. This is not a test. Strange black cars are kidnapping people. I don't know why is this happening, but I must get out of here and somebody will take my place. Good luck surviving these black cars.
Hello guys, this is me, Carol Doskett, and here is some breaking news. Strange black cars has been roaming around the United States, North Korea, and South Korea. Now, these cars are taking over the entire world. They have been reported kidnapping people and stuff. And they're might be about to break in the next 15 minutes. So I better have my owners on the situation, and I can't handle it. We'll see you next time. Hello guys, I'm back for some more breaking news. The black cars are now taking over the entire country of North Korea, South Korea, and the United States. They have been defeated in all countries except the United States, North Korea, and South Korea. They're about to break in soon, so stay tuned for more updates on this. Oh crap, they're here.
Stop right there! Or here to catch you! This is Black, the leader of the Black Cars! Now I'm going to take you away, suckers!
Oh no, please, help, help, help me.
Go on the road, I got what they're waiting for.
I'm going to suck by this music of death.
My storage literally went from this to this.
No.
My storage went from this to this.
Look at my storage.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Korean government and in conjunction with the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The leader of the strange black cars, named Black, killed Carol Doskett. This is a dangerous situation and should not be taken seriously for the United States too much. Stay tuned for more updates.
message was transmitted at the request of the Korean government and in conjunction with the United States. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The leader of the strange black cars named Black killed Carol. This is a dangerous situation and should not be taken seriously for the United States too much. Stay tuned for more updates.
We interrupt your regular programming. Important details will follow.
Message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Korean government. This is the end of humanity as we let you know it. At 44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the black cars are taking over the world again and kidnapping even more people. Soon the leader of the black cars along with kidnapped the entire Earth. There's no way we can stop this situation. Going to panic mode, and goodbye to all the world. Oh, and by the way, after they do that, they would do them to all the planets and the stars. Comments, meteors, asteroids, and moons. I will see afterlife.